Welcome, in front of me is a Blackview Tab 12, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector kind of like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you will then be able to pop out the tray, which is located on the, I guess, let's consider this a bottom side, same one where you have your charging port. The tray is right over here in the corner. Find a little insert pin, push the tool in, and as you can see, the tray pops out, and now for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for a dedicated SD card / SIM card and dedicated SIM. So you could use two different SIM cards at the same time in here, and one of them will just go sideways on the SD tray. Now I'm going to be using one of each, so I'm going to move it over, and then here I'm going to put in my card. From here, insert it carefully into the device, carefully because there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they could come out of the tray if you bump it too hard. Now once you insert it, the cards will start working right away, as you can see right here. So I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin, and SIM card is obviously working, so let's see if we also have SD card notification, and we do. So SD card is also working. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.